Hey guys, Big Rich here. It's my day 20 Vlogmas. I want to tell you tonight about the time when one of my comedy sketches was on SNL. Trendspotting, that was a show we did back in June of 2019. In July of 2019, NBC put out a call for submissions for Saturday Night Live. So I put together a packet. That's what we call it in the biz. And one of them was my Hair BNB sketch. Here's that sketch.
Do you need to change your look fast for witness protection program? Are you having a bad hair day? Do you need a fancy new look for a fancy occasion? If you answered yes to any of these, HairBNB is for you. Hi, I'm Sally Bowen. HairBNB has thousands of wigs and Americans for you to like, try, and share. But don't just take it from me. Take it from our loyal customers.
I'm a busy business guy. I was self-conscious about my shiny chrome dome, but thanks to AirBNB, they fitted me with a new rug and I sealed the deal.
I'm a mob guy. So I was on the lam from the cops. I needed a quick disguise. My guys told me about AirBNB, so I gave them a shot. They gave me these gorgeous, curly, beautiful locks. Oh, sure, I still got caught, but I got a beautiful mugshot.
And if you have a wig of your own you're not using, let us run it out for you. We'll give the old HairBNB treatment. Clean inside for you between every rental. Just take it from the great Dolly Parton.
Well, thanks, Sally Bowen. As you know, I've collected hundreds of wigs over my long country music career. It's just a shame they're sitting on these styrofoam heads in my Dollywood Museum. So I let AirBNB rent them out for me. They do a fine job.
Thanks. We can take care of all your temporary hair needs. So get your head right. Just call AirBNB.
So I sent it in and never heard anything back. Well, I did get an acknowledgement they received it and a copy of the document I signed that said, you don't have any claim to it and all that kind of stuff. But that was all I ever heard. On September 28th of that year, season premiere with Woody Harrelson, Kenan Thompson does a bit where his character is David Big Papi Ortiz from the Red Sox, talking about how he just got shot in Dominican Republic and all that stuff. And he said now he has to use a disguise. But here's what they did on SNL.
Well, I hope that you stay safe from now on.
Oh, me too, bro. That's why I'm more careful now. When I go out, I wear a disguise. Yeah, I get them all from the same place, you know. AirBNB. Do you need a wig for the weekend? Use AirBNB. Every wig is made of 100% guinea pig hair. Yeah, it's very itchy.
I get it. AirBNB and AirBNB is kind of an obvious joke. But the fact that they talked about using a disguise and renting out wigs, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that they got my idea and either read it or somebody mentioned it to him or I don't know. I think I saw on Reddit that scene was written by Jost and Kenan together. But all the people they had reviewing submissions, who knows if it, I don't know. But anyway, I like to think that I got on SNL, so. And that's it for that. And of course, we haven't done any sketch shows in 2020 because 2020, but that's the way it goes. Maybe we'll get back into it one of these days. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you got something out of this, click the like button. Hit subscribe and ring that bell if you want to get notified when I post something new. Vlogmas 2020, y'all. 20 days in.